Deep cleaning on Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 15ARH05 laptop. Thank you, ma'am Chloe, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Performing a deep cleaning on a Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 15ARH05 is a smart and beneficial decision, especially for maintaining optimal performance and long-term reliability. As a gaming laptop, this model is designed to handle demanding uploads, which naturally generate significant heat over time, dust buildup within the cooling system, particularly around the fans. Heat sinks and vents can reduce airflow, cause overheating, increase fan noise, and negatively affect gaming and system performance. A professional deep cleaning involves carefully opening the laptop, removing internal dust and debris, and if necessary, reapplying thermal paste to improve heat transfer from the CPU and GPU. This process restores efficient cooling, helps prevent thermal throttling, and extends the lifespan of internal components. Overall, by choosing PTT IT Solutions, you are ensuring that your laptop is handled with care and precision. And this service not only solves immediate problems, but also acts as preventive maintenance, minimizing the risk of future hardware failure and preserving the smooth operation of your device. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.